tungegawa. Haiwezi pakiwa hapa. Hii rangi, we can't do that. Hii rangi inabaki. Wacha nikwambie ukweli. Ukifanya hivi, si vizuri. You have to divide it. Hii rangi ni pesa nyingi vijana wangu. Hii rangi ni pesa nyingi. We have to divide it. You can't brush here. That's enough. So the rest, I think we have to keep it on the side. I don't think we'll be needing the rest, so we'd have ended up wasting the whole thing. I don't know what to do, because I'm so sure my black jacket will be having paint, and I think it's the only thing I have to keep me warm. So everybody to take theirs today, right there. Kila mtu achukue yake leo. Ndio mmeamua. Na unajua brush venye unaipeleka ni important. So everybody has taken theirs. These are main focus. So we'll just paint them a second time, so that by the time we are doing the rest of the work, they will be drying. They'll dry very fast. There's actually no time to waste today. There's so much to do. So, I don't know why I'm using this. I don't know why I thought these are a good idea. I kind of like that old look. But you see, they're not uniform. None looks like the other one. So we are focusing on them now. We are painting the old ones. But that was really original and brick. We'll never see that clay color again. But then I hope they'll get old and revert back. That too. We are painting that. So I'm working on this. We are planting all those flowers. And yeah, you see, like that one, it looks so dark. I mean, none looks like the other one. So there was no choice. So I'm kind of regretting this now, because you see, like those ones at the guest house, they kind of look old and nice, but I think now we'll just paint everything. Oh, the flowers have been so neglected. So yeah, let me just continue painting here. We've not yet had breakfast. It's past 9 o'clock. I hope at some point we can get to eat something. And Onesma is not here. Someone up here. Hello. That's how I know. Asante sana kurauka. Habari ya asubuhi. Niko hapa.
Nimekaa hapa.
Mimi hata ndio askari. Mimi ndio askari, mimi ndio mtu wa mkono, mimi ndio kila kitu. Nakwambia. Karibu habari ya asubuhi. Umelala vizuri? Umetuletea mgeni. Karibu kwetu. Sawa. Endeleeni, tumekuja. Tunapaka hizi, tunamalizia kazi yetu. Tunapaka hizi, tulikuwa hapa karibu. Unajua tulipaka zile zikakaa vizuri. Sasa nikaangalia nikaona si nipake mpaka hizi zinakaa hapa, unanielewa? Si unaona sasa ile kazi tunafanya juu tukipaka zitakauka. Zikikauka sasa sisi tutaendelea nini? Kufanya kazi zingine alafu tupande maua zetu.
Hata unapaka?
Mimi napaka sababu ninafurahia pia juu sitaki kuenda jikoni kupika. Yeah. So that's Sante. He's been like here like forever. He's one of the people who actually built this house. And we are renovating the guest house with him and also some part of this work. I see he's brought somebody because we've got a lot of work to be done. So, do you know what? We need to remember something. Follow me. You won't believe what I'm about to show you. Before we forget, I know this is not what Santa came to do, but I have to do this. These ones are got to go. We'll need them for breakfast, but immediately after we take breakfast, look at this. Look at that. There have been people living here for 4 years. Nobody told me they were looking like this. Santa needs to change this, because I wish I could buy a new dining table, but I don't have the money. So we'll have to change this. And there's someone moving in today. So, yeah, we need to fix the dining chairs. Because if we don't do that, the guy who is coming today is going to find the place so messy. So I'm just trying. I've lost focus by now. I've completely lost focus. The boys are doing really well. Utarudia second court. Chelsea, we are opening that. Relax. Oh, thank you. So, tunisaidia kastana kako hapo na meza please. Kailete hapa mnione. Hapo. So you can see how messy they look. You can see how horrible they look. You can't let anybody sit here. I don't want to talk about iko hapo kwa hiyo mlango ingine. I don't want to talk about who was living in this place. But they messed up everything. There are more people. There are people still coming in. And now it's time to keep the mask on because everybody needs to feel safe. So there's someone else. I hope it's the last time I'm opening. Where is Onesma? Hello, Kati. Hi. No. We are not touching. No. Karibuni. Kati unataka kuniha. Si nilikwambia mambo kwa ground ni different. Nilikwambia mambo kwa ground ni different. So that's Kati, my sister-in-law. She's come with this lady who is our cleaning lady. So we are going to do a lot. Oh, she's going anaenda kujisaidia mama. Sawa. Kati, see you talk to my camera a bit, my sister-in-law. Hata umefunika.
Hi.
Hi, that's Kati.
We are okay here.
So Kati is my right-hand person. She's the one who takes care of this place and watches over this place when I'm not there. With Onesmus, of course. And she's coming with a cleaning lady because we have to get this place ready today. I'm still really losing focus.